Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2023 LDV D90 stock number 5943. This ran from 02 2020 to the current shape. It has a SV9A 2-litre turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a SV9A 2-litre turbo diesel engine. Left front 19-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front 19-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, AC controls, factory touch screen sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke steering wheel, instrument cluster,